Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, if you're old, welcome back. In today's video, I am doing this orange smoky eye for you guys. I actually haven't really done any type of eye makeup lately. The reasoning, I don't know why. I just haven't really decided on what I wanted to do. So it's really sunny out here and I'm going for lunch and I wanted to do like a vibrant kind of like eye. So I did this orange smoky eye for you guys, as well as I'm showing you the fragrance that I'm using for this afternoon. So if you guys want to know how I got this look and also wonder what fragrance I used, please continue to watch this video and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! I'm going out for lunch with my homegirl, so I'm rushing. I'm actually going to prime my face with the Ulta Pore face primer, and this is Ulta. This is their brand, so if you guys are interested, you can check it out. I don't even know if you guys can see it because my lights are kind of bright, but I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Color correct, I'm just gonna use this Sweet Cheek Soft Cheek Tint. This is actually a like a blush, but I just use it as a color corrector because I don't know where my actual color corrector is. I'm gonna take my concealer. This is the Biscuit Concealer by NARS. I'm just going to put that on the areas that I'm trying to cancel out. I think this foundation is actually super light for me. I bought this when I was in Vegas. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. You guys, I live by this foundation, but I think this shade was a little bit too light. And this is the Golden Tan shade, so I'm probably gonna use this and maybe put one pump in there of this one. I'm gonna apply this right underneath the eyes. And I kind of want my under eye to be like, not super bright, but like bright enough. So I'm actually gonna go in with another concealer, medium honey tart shape tape concealer. Now this stuff is really light, so you're only gonna need like just a little bit. I'm actually gonna let that sit on my face. And then I'm going to cream contour. This is the Black Radiance Foundation Stick. This is in the shade Brownie. I have another one called Cappuccino, but I think this might be the darkest shade that I want. Blend that out. This is a dirty brush, so don't come for me. I'm gonna blend the contour out first, and then I'm gonna go in and blend the concealer. Then I'm going to set my under eye with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, you guys. This is a really good powder. Use the Prime Beauty Gold Coast bronzer just to bring my face back some warmth. I'm gonna take the Milani Spiced Rose blush. Now I'm gonna spray my face and get rid of that excess powder that is actually on my face. And I'm gonna use my sponge and I'm just going to press all that into my skin. 3502 palette. They have some really nice orangey shades in here, so we're gonna do something with that. Again, don't come for me, y'all, because I know these brushes are dirty, but I haven't done anything. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Actually, no, I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here.
Way more than you hate it. Oh, you mad? I thought that you'd be happy I made it. Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up. It's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug. Find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dubs. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you select Eminem, you get plenty of groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Pros down, cheese up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Roll them trees up. If you watch how I move, you mistake for a player pimp. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the LA, they saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, for sure, they tell you I'm local. The plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still on the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy, and they ready to go. Find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm
Actually going to just like warm my forehead up a little because I actually wasn't able to really kind of do that, so. See, so I cannot find my black mascara, so I'm just gonna use brown because I think black probably will be a little bit too harsh. This is actually for your brows, but I'm gonna use it for a mascara. So I'm going to go get dressed and I will be right back. I'm gonna throw on some earrings as well. So you guys, this is the finished look. I actually have this two-piece set that I actually paired with. My mom actually got this for me when she was in Mississippi. I will show you guys a full body, but it just, oh, is it gonna focus? No. It's just a two-piece top. And it actually wraps around the back, and then it has these long pants to actually go with it. So I think this is very appropriate for lunch. And then the perfume that I'm going to use is the YSL Libra fragrance. Y'all, it smells so good. It's very like, I don't know, I feel like you can wear this all year round, honestly. Oh, and quick tip to keep your foundation to last longer. You can actually put an oil or some Vaseline on your skin and then spray it and then just let it dry, and it'll stay on you all day.